Alright, what is going on, guys? It is your boy Java. We're back with a banger video like always. So as y'all can tell from the title and emblem, man, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make free thumbnails in 2020. How I make my thumbnails, because somebody on my comment section in one of my videos wanted to know how I make thumbnails and how I can do it for free without having to pay any money or having to upload my thumbnail and there'll be a little emblem from the app or from the page where it's a watermark and that'll show up in your thumbnails. I'm going to show y'all how to do all this for free. No payments, no charge, just easy, simple tricks you can do throughout this video, and it's going to be a very big help for a lot of you guys. And let's get right into it, man. Let's go. Alright, okay guys, let's get it. First off, what you want to do is you want to go to Google Chrome and you want to open up this one app right here called Canva or Canva or whatever you call it. This is what it's called. This is what I use all the time for my apps. And after you go through this, you want to go to create a design and YouTube thumbnail, just like that. And after you go to YouTube thumbnail, make sure you go to uploads, and this is where you upload stuff from throughout the video. So first off, just get a little background for your video, so or for your thumbnail, my bad. So you can open up another tab and then just type something. Look up, let's say, galaxy background. Just something simple and easy. And after it loads up, go to images, find an image. Just do this one right here. We'll do this one. You right click it, save image. We're gonna do galaxy. I spelled it wrong. I really don't care. You want to save it. Then you want to go to upload, type in the galaxy, click on it, and then just crop it to the edges of the frame. And this right here will be your background right here. Bam. And then you want to get, like, let's say a logo or something, and this is going to be for the thumbnail I'm making for this video, so this is what we're going to do. So I'm going to make a YouTube thumbnail. So right now you already see I have a YouTube thumbnail, but I'm going to show y'all what you want to do to get one of these. So what you want to type in is PNG, and you'll do YouTube logo. You can do this with anything, weapons, lasers, anything like that. Go to a YouTube symbol, right click it, save image, and then you'll save it. And since I already have it saved, I'm not going to do that. But then you'll see I'll go to upload, go right here, it'll be download one or YouTube logo right there, and then it'll pop up, and then you'll bring it up. And then all you do is you bring the YouTube logo up, save it, crop it however you want to put it in the video, adjust the size or whatever, bam, put it somewhere. We're going to put it like that. Then you want some words. This is where you want to type in word PNG generator, just like that. Type on the third one. You don't have to have any type of money or anything to use this, and just find one you want to use, man. Something that will look cool for the thumbnail. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this one right here, short and simple. And then just for the video, we're gonna type in how to make free thumbnails in 2020. And since I want it to crop through the video, we're gonna fix it a little bit how I want, do it like this. Then I'm gonna space this out, make sure it's in the middle, keep it going until I see it in the middle up there, about right there. We'll do about right. How to make free thumbnail. Then you go to logo, make the color how you want it. I'm just gonna do straight white for you guys. All the way white. The outline, this is what it'll look like, say like if you did all this or something. We can make it purple or something. We'll make it purple. We'll do heavy blur, so there'll be a background blur like that. You can also change how it looks however you want to. Create logo, download, it'll go to the bottom, go back to it, bring that download up, and then bam, it'll be right there. How to make free thumbnails in 2020. Adjust it to the video or the thumbnail, crop it out. What I might do is I might take that off, how to make free thumbnails like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to exit it back out, go back to this. I'm going to keep how to make free thumbnails take out the 2020, go back to logo, make sure it's like that, create logo, download, save again. How to make free thumbnails just like this. And then we're just going to do another one. And we're going to do in 2020. Exclamation mark. Create. Download it. Upload. Bam. In 2020. Just like that. Make sure the YouTube logo is nice and clean. In 2020. Bam. Just like that. How to make free thumbnails in 2020. You can go to the back of the video, filter it, make it look all shiny and popping like this. Add some color to it, make it look real nice and clean, and there you go, right there, guys. Easy little thumbnail for you guys. We're gonna download, save this to my computer, and then bam, it'll pop up right there. Bada bing, bada boom. Wait for it to load. Bam, got the thumbnail for you guys. Simple, easy. All you gotta do is upload it to the YouTube channel. And yeah, that was pretty easy. That was pretty it. Pretty simple, pretty smooth. And if y'all want me to do any more thumbnails for you guys, show y'all how to do anything else, make sure y'all like the video, comment down below, subscribe. And in the next video, man, if we can break like 15 likes, I will try to do another video on any other thumbnails. And let's get into it, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoy. Peace.